G'day guys, how's it going? My name's Sean, welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to share with you 5 things that you should consider buying instead of buying the iPhone XS or the iPhone XS Max. So this is a bit of a video response, I guess, to everything that I've been seeing on my own YouTube feed, Facebook feed, Instagram feed, with every tech person in the world, it seems, doing their own reviews and impressions on the iPhone XS and XS Max. But I want to also say that I'm not against any of these products and I'm not against Apple. I personally own an iPhone 7 Plus, 2 of them actually, an iPhone 10, an Apple TV 4K, an Apple Watch, 5K iMac, MacBook Pro, like the list goes on and on and on. And I used to work at Apple as well, and I'm not an anti-Apple person at all. I'm just really upset in Australia by the price and the inflation on the latest iPhone. I think $1,629 for the iPhone XS is just excessive. My girlfriend really wants an iPhone XS and I just need to, I don't know, share with people. I think people are forgetting that there is still a lot of other really good tech that they can potentially upgrade or add into their own existing homes for less money or for the similar money than what they could be getting an iPhone XS for. So these are the 5 things that I just thought you should consider, or I thought would be of an interesting comparison. Let me know if you think I may be missing out on other things, or if you think I'm crazy. Let me know in the comments, but let's start with the first thing out of the top 5. Okay, so the first thing you should consider buying instead of buying the latest iPhone X, if you're an intelligent human being, would be upgrading your Wi-Fi. You can buy the Google Mesh 3-pack Wi-Fi system for $494, and if you've got shit Wi-Fi, you should definitely consider upgrading your shitty Wi-Fi than buying the latest iPhone. Buying the latest iPhone means absolutely diddly squat if you've got crap Wi-Fi and you can't load something as simple as a Facebook page or a YouTube video. So if you've got crap Wi-Fi, upgrade it. It's $494 and it's a 3-pack from Google. It's so simple that honestly, like a baby could do it. So consider that instead of buying the iPhone XS, please. Okay, so the second thing that you can buy for $913.90 is the Philips Hue starter pack, which comes with 3 bulbs that you can change into whatever color you want. Like an RGB Philips Hue strip that you could put behind the TV or in your TV entertainment unit or in your computer room or wherever you want. And also an Apple HomePod, which, I mean, you could basically home automate your lighting and audio for under $1,000. If you want to create a cool vibe for movies, if you want to have something that is something to show off to your friends for dinner parties and when you're having house parties, you can sync up the music and the lights, you can ask Siri to play whatever music you want, you can do a whole bunch of shit. You should definitely consider doing something like that. If you've got people coming over all the time, then showing people, hey, look at me, I've got the latest iPhone XS. That is going to be something that everyone's going to have and not going to set you apart at all. But if you're having people come over for dinner parties and movie nights and things like that, and you can be like, hey Siri, play this song, or hey Siri, that just went off. But you can be like, hey Siri, set the lights, because I'm pretty sure they will sync up with yours as well. I should have thought about that in advance. You should definitely consider getting a lighting setup and an audio setup versus upgrading the latest iPhone. That's what I think. Okay, the third thing that you can get instead of getting an iPhone XS or XS Max would be the DJI MAVIC Air 4K drone for $12.99. So you can basically fly a drone wherever you want, shooting 4K video, you and your mates going to the beach, going to the park, going wherever you want. You can use it in conjunction with driving your car. You could use it on your holidays. I think people are going to be way more impressed, and I think you're going to get a lot more out of it than the latest iPhone. That's what I think. Maybe consider buying a drone. $12.99, 4K, DJI. Enough said. The fourth thing that you can get instead of buying an iPhone XS is a fucking laptop. You can basically get a Dell G3 gaming laptops with a GTX 1050 Ti for $1,300 in JB Hi-Fi in Sydney. So if you've got a crappy old laptop that you haven't upgraded in 3 or 4 years and you're going to go and buy the latest iPhone instead, don't. Buy yourself a new laptop that you can do gaming and video editing and all that kind of stuff. I mean, it's a fucking laptop. It's going to be better. It's going to serve you better over the course of the next 3 or 4 years than buying the latest iPhone. What do you think? And the fifth thing, this one's a bit of a funny one, but it's still relevant, I think, to all of us who like to relax and unwind. You can, for $1,740, which is, I guess, a little bit more expensive. It's like the iPhone plus the case. You can get a 6-night, 7-day international holiday in Hawaii with a car and a hotel all included. The only thing you've got to pay for is your meals, which if you had an iPhone, you would have to pay for meals every day anyway. You could go on an international holiday to Hawaii, on the beach, sipping drinks, chilling out, treat yourself. If you're, the type of person that's got to spare $1,600 to $1,700 and you're thinking, iPhone holiday, I think most of us would pick a holiday and go to Hawaii, Jurassic Park, fucking Jumanji, all the good stuff. If you've got an iPhone, hashtag the shit out of it. I'm in Hawaii instead of buying the latest iPhone 10. There's no lines. You don't have to line up to go and buy the latest holiday. You do have to line up to buy the latest iPhone, and it might even be in stock in the color that you want. And you might break it. You can't break a holiday. It's a holiday. Go on a holiday instead of buying the iPhone XS or XS Max. So, thanks for watching this video. It was a bit of a ramble, I know, but what would you consider buying? I've listed 5 things. Maybe list your 5 things in the comments down below. If you like this video, like it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. If you want to make sure you don't miss out on any of my future videos, hit the subscribe button down below. And as always, you can reach out to me on Facebook and Instagram as well. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.